welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome. I'm happy to have you. We're going to jump right into this video and we're going to show you how some of these dies look with the die cuts that Globleland sent me. This is how this one turned out. And I can say, even though I'm not a card maker, the thicker the paper seemed to cut better, as you will see in my next clip about how some of the die cuts didn't cut all the way through. So it's probably error due to me, but I still think the thicker the cardstock, the better. Okay guys, I am going to show you some of the die cuts and how they came out. As you can see, I'm not the greatest. Sometimes they would cut perfect, and sometimes I couldn't get the little spots to come out, so don't know what I'm doing wrong, but this is some of the results I got. And I'll show you some more on some of the cards I'm working on. And this one, and we've got the little Tinkerbell one, and also the fact that some of these dies had like a lot of little spaces. Those are hard to come out, some of them. But the fairy dies seem to cut pretty good. Now I did try to make this little card, and all I did was painted a little, this glittery fingernail polish on the fairy, and then I took silver and went around it. And we're going to move Globleland out of the way here a little bit, and we're going to try to use one of the stamps. This one is Believe in Your Dreams. That way, this is basically like a little money card or something that you could give someone for a gift. And anyway, I thought I would try to demonstrate at least something, because I'm not a card maker. See, I'm no good at this. So let's hope it don't smear all over the place. Let's see if we can line it back up. Better than I thought it would. Believe in your dreams. So that's a little demonstration with one of the stamps. And I made this one with the flower pots, the flower pot and the flowers. And I put a little jewel in between it. And then I used this die cut, and then I had the thank you die cut, and then I used one of the little flowers. Like I said, I am not a professional in any way, shape, or form. That's why I'm not demonstrating how to make the cards, because I really don't know how to make them that great. And I'm not going to pretend like I am. And I made this little card. I used a little fairy like she's given, and that's one of the stamps, and she's giving her that. And I thought I would use this one. Let's see if we can ink it up and see what happens. Definitely not great at this. Let's celebrate you. And then you have room to write your little message. Or these are just a little few other examples that I was messing around with. I cut the partial. And then it's like that. See, I make a lot of mistakes. But like I said, I'm learning. And if anybody has any tips for me, I'm welcome to them. And this, I did the partial cut on the butterflies. And it's just you know, trying it out. So anyway, I want to thank Globleland for sending me these great dies and stamps. You can go follow the link in my description down below, and you can go to bbcraft.com because that's their sister company, and you can find their products there at BB Craft. It's Globleland, and I appreciate everyone stopping by, and go check them out. They got some great products. Oops. And I'm throwing their dies around. I hope everyone has a great day. Thank you, Globleland. Blessed be everyone. Bye.